Hey guys, you've got to check out this traffic source. There's actually 5 ways to use it. I'm going to show you all 5 ways. So make sure you watch all of this video, listen to the entire podcast, and by the end of it, you will know how to extract the maximum amount of traffic from this platform today. So let's check out the stats. It's got a global rank of 36,000, a country rank of United States, 14,000, pretty high. If we look at the average views, total visits, it's got an average of 1.46 million per month. That is crazy high. So let's go down to traffic by countries. This is pretty impressive. So 42% from the United States, 6% from Canada, 6% from India, 5% from Czech Republic, 5% from France. If we look at traffic sources, 77% is direct, only 4% from search engines, and 11% from social media. Let's go down to that search traffic. So here we can see of that 4%, 97% is organic. So it looks like they're running some ads, 2% is paid. And if we have a look at social, well, this is really good because of that 11%, YouTube seems to be king by quite a lot. So 58% of the social traffic is coming from YouTube, 24% from Facebook, 10% from Twitter, and then a 1% each is Pinterest and good old Reddit. So let's go check out the historical data. So here we can see the website really began in 2012, and then over the course of, well, just under a year really, it increased from 0 to over 2 million visits a month. Pretty epic stuff. And then it declined. So this looks like it received some serious advertising or media exposure. And then here again, we've got another spike, which looks like it could be viral or media to a lesser extent. And then up here in July 2017, it hits the dizzying heights of 7 million visits a month. And look at that. This must be if it received massive amounts of mainstream media exposure. So that's what those spikes look like, or viral traffic, or it invested a lot in advertising in a short period of time. I would predict that this is media exposure. That's what it tends to look like on my websites. We have these big spikes when something goes viral or the media picks up on it. So there you can see it dropped back down, and now we are just under 2 million visits a month. Pretty good stuff for us. And if we have a look at the last 6 months worth of data, there you can see it's bouncing between 1 million and 2 million. It's sitting around the 1.6 mark, 1.7, and then it's recently just climbed up to 1.9. Pretty good stuff. Let's go check out the website. There you go. It's Minds. So it says where minds gather. It brands itself as the leading open source social network for internet freedom. Earn crypto and free promotion for your contributions. That's really interesting. So we can earn crypto and get free promotion for contributing to this website. It seems to be aimed at content creators, people like us, right? So it's available on desktop and for the iOS, through the App Store, and for Android too. So let's go ahead and sign in. I've actually got a couple of accounts here. Let's log into one of them. And here you can see it's pretty overwhelming. We've got a whole heap of different stuff going on, right? So on the left-hand side, we've got these hashtags. So we've got things like, you've got one of my preferred ones, which is marketing. Then we've got art, music, my photo, photography, crypto, nature, outdoors, technology, poetry, loads of stuff here. And we can also search. So if we want to look for things in particular like marketing, click the search bar there, and here you will get relevant content to your niche, and lots of it. So let's say I wanted to contribute something on this website. So we've got 5 ways of doing it. We've got 5 ways to extract traffic. So the first one is to really comment on other people's content. So here we can engage with them, start talking to them, build rapport, and ultimately develop relationships on this platform. And when you've done that and you contribute enough good stuff, well, I'm sure no one's going to mind if you link to additional relevant sources that you might happen to own via the comments. So that's the first way of using this for traffic generation. The second way is up here we have Speak Your Mind. So if you were to create content here, so just type in something random there, we could then post that and make that appear in this public timeline. So that's the second way. And then we've got another way, which is really interesting. If we click Create Blog, there we can create a longer, more detailed article on this website. So we would give it a strong title there. We can add in content here. And this looks very similar to the Medium editor and the new WordPress editor. So there we can add in content, images, video if we want to, and good old text as well, if we can spell content. And we've got a few options here. So the first one is we can add a license to it if we want to add maybe a Creative Commons license. We can add hashtags, which is really important because people searching will, for specific hashtags, will see your content there. We can add the visibility, so we want to keep that public, make sure public is checked. And then we can also add it behind a paywall if we want to earn revenue on our content. We've also got an option for metadata, which is really cool. So there we can add the URL slug, the meta title, meta description, and meta author. Very handy stuff for SEO. So that is another way to extract traffic from this website. But let me show you a couple more ways. So notice over here on the left hand side, we have my profile name there. If we click on that, click on your one, and then here we have an edit button. Click on that and check this out. Here you can add in a link to your website. So I'm just going to put in profitcodepilot.com/traffic because I want more people to get traffic to the websites when they visit that URL. And then we click the check button, and there it is, a live link on our profile. So anyone who visits the content we contribute on this platform will see this link too. And then we've got another way. So if we go back to edit, here we can add social profiles. So if you want to drive traffic to your Facebook group, to your YouTube channel, to your Pinterest boards, whatever, you can add as many social media profile URLs as you like right here. So that's 5 ways to use this platform for maximum traffic. But this is just one traffic source, and I want to give you more. I want to give you the exact strategies that I use on my websites to get millions of visitors. I'm going to give that to you for free when you go to profitcodepilot.com/traffic. Grab that. It's not going to cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care, guys.